All right, so we'll do a review on this. We got the trainer kit, Pikachu, Libre, and Suicune, I think it is. 2-player learn to play set. We ordered this through Amazon. So let's see how this thing works and look at it real quick. Open it up.
I hope it has that Pikachu.
It's a special Pikachu. There's 2 sets here. There's one. This is how you learn how to play. Do you see what's happening here, girls? Ooh, yeah, you're gonna learn how to play. So look at this. Got a nice coin here.
Was that an actual coin?
Yeah, look at that. It's a holographic. Here, pop that out. That's how you do heads and tails. There you go.
Heads and tails.
And so as you see, there's really 2 half decks. So you put these guys together and create one deck. But this is a good test. They have 2 hologram cards.
We're about to find out.
Hologram cards. And then the rest of the set comes with all the power cards and everything you need. Put it together. That's what you usually do. Put 2 different kinds of Pokemon together. And anyways, 2 different types. All your little things here. Lydia, do you want to pop some of those out? That's great. Oh, look at that. Online code. We'll download that later so you can play online with these exact sets.
Eevee's on the Pokemon. Eevee's my favorite one.
This is some help information tutorials from online for that kit. And there's some help information and tutorials online for this kit. That's pretty cool. You have boxes for your trainer kit when you're done. Really cool. It could hold this in the box. That's really a neat addition. But as you saw before, we got our own boxes. So you can use that. It's a cardboard thing. It's pretty nice. Let's see. Now you can, ooh, trainer kit online for the online card game. And then this is kind of fun. For training purposes, they have an entire, okay, watch out their lids.
Favorite.
Yeah, Goldeen. Let's open this guy up. Right here. Wow, they have, Lydia, move your hands there, sweetie. They have the entire thing there with the bench, all the prize cards, and so we'll learn how to play with this. Look at that, all the rules are in here. Yeah, this is a really good setup. So for what you do here, you're getting a really good deal on all of this. Look at that, all this. It's a good setup. Let's put this in here and in here and in here and in here. Look at all that you're getting. So I highly recommend this if you're just learning Pokemon. You ready to play, girls?
Ready.
Let's do it.